So in this Canva tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add a subheading to your design here on Canva using Canva desktop. So once Canva is opened up on your device, what I want you to do is to go to the left-hand side of your screen, three options down, and press on text. Once you're here, scroll down to where it says default text styles. Two options down, it says add a subheading. Simply just press on a subheading. So by default for me, subheading does default to bolded font, 52 font size, and Canva sans font as comparison to a heading on why you maybe want to select a subheading compared to a regular heading. Headings are defaulted to bolded font as well, 92 size font, and also Canva sans. So for example, that's heading right there. This is subheading just like this. These are the examples. Just by default, you can of course make these larger or smaller, whatever you want to do. That is completely up to you. But yeah, pretty basic, pretty straightforward. That is how to add a subheading to your design here on Canva using the Canva desktop version. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.